When do you use an open circle for algebra inequalities? Have you ever wondered how to clearly representing inequalities on a number line? It can be tricky, but understanding when to use an open circle is key. Let's break it down in a simple way. In algebra, inequalities compare to expressions. You might see symbols like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These symbols help us understand the relationship between numbers. When graphing these inequalities, we use circles to show whether an endpoint is included in the solution. An open circle is specifically used for situations where the endpoint is not part of the solution. This happens with strict inequalities, which are represented by the symbols greater than or less than. For example, if you have the inequality is greater than 3, you would place an open circle at 3. This indicates that 3 itself is not included in the solution set. Similarly, if you have the inequality is less than 5, you would also use an open circle at 5. This tells us that 5 is not part of the solution. Instead, we are looking at all numbers less than 5. Using open circles is especially important when dealing with compound inequalities. A compound inequality combines two inequalities. For instance, if you have 2 less than x and x less than 5, you would use open circles at both 2 and 5. This means that neither 2 nor 5 is included in the solution set. Understanding when to use open circles helps you accurately graph inequalities. It makes it easier to visualize the solutions and see which numbers are included or excluded. This skill is not just useful in basic inequalities, but also in more complex situations involving rational expressions. By mastering open and closed circles, you can navigate algebra with confidence. Remember, open circles mean the endpoint is not included, while closed circles indicate that it is. This simple rule can make a big difference in how you approach and solve inequalities. So next time you are graphing, keep this in mind, and you will be on the right track.